Okay, have you completed it?
Yeah. But when I print it out, I get name is L java.lang.string at 279f2327.
Okay, just let me see, please. You can share.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay.
I see, cannot see your screen, so that's why I'm waiting.
Oh,
Yeah, it takes some
I
time.
already sure. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, may I know? So this is very interesting because when you use names and you don't use the square brackets, it actually gets you the address where in the memory where you actually get these names stored. So I mean,
Oh.
you use num and you incremented it, but you never use a square bracket to actually access individual positions of inside the array itself. So you have to use that here.
So I should use
Names, but with the
yeah.
square brackets. So you use 0 and use,
Oh, I see.
but again,
Like this.
num, just write num, because num will be a value that start from 0
Yeah.
until it get incremented. Okay, now let's run. Now, after you printed this 3, you are facing a problem. Array
Yeah.
index out of bound. Why is it?
Oh, because this should be 2. Yeah, 2. Right.
There
There you go.
Excellent.
Because
Okay.
yeah, this was 3, but this doesn't have 3.
True. Yeah,
Okay.
you're correct.
Yeah.
Now wait,
Okay.
don't stop sharing. I am passing you
Okay.
another code that you would
Okay.
run. Okay, now you see the code, I believe.
Yeah.
Let me see here.
Remove this. Remove this. Okay. Now, yeah.
Can I ask you one thing? Why you use
Yeah.
new here?
Uh,
You,
hmm.
I never told you before.
No.
Okay. So every time we use new, it means that
Yeah.
this is a class. So internally, this scanner object is actually a data type, that class data type. Although you don't know
Right.
its implementation, how it is implemented, but it is a class.
Hmm. Okay.
So it also means that sometimes you don't need to care about implementation. They give you something that they tell you, oh, you want to use the scanner to get some input from the keyboard of the user, then you use it just this way. And you don't know about the dirty work that they do inside here to actually capture what the user write on the keyboard. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, when we talk about the beauty of classes, is that they separate implementation dirty work from using it. So you're
Yeah.
using it just in one line.
Right. Okay. I see. So while num is less than 7. Right. Okay. Makes sense. Okay. What is this 7 text?
So you have here you have an if statement.
Yeah.
What is that?
So that should be easy, right? I just put if, because I just want to get from 1 to 7 and print 1 to like from this. So I just need a bunch of if statement, right? So if, I don't know, I need it inside this. If num equals 1, then print out names
Hmm.
0.
But may I understand why you need to do that?
Isn't that what want me to do?
No. Did you
No?
have a look at the code again, please? There is an if statement, but it doesn't show what you can actually do inside the if statement. But I want you just to read that.
Okay.
So
Right.
I choose if I put 8, if I type 8 and it's stored here
Right.
8, can I put 8? Can I put names and I put 8 here, or
No.
I am not allowed, right? Because 8 is for quit
Yeah.
only, right? And I
Yeah.
only have here from 0 to 7, right?
Yeah.
So it means that the if statement have a purpose. Look at the if statement again.
I see. So you want it to be, let's say, if this equals to 7, right? I think you want me to print it all out in one, is it?
And
Like this.
but okay, yeah,
Oh,
but you don't need to print it
but
all. You only need to print whatever number the user put only.
yeah.
Okay,
Oh yeah, I see.
and then
Okay, so this should work, right?
mhm, can we run
Yeah,
and
this
see?
should work. And then oh wait, I need my house. Then, Um, technically it'll be easier if I make it a boolean, right? So I put true. Then I put if
Mhm.
else, I can put false. If I put boolean,
But before you put your else statement, can you please try to run?
Okay. Oh,
Error.
where is that? Is it 63? I didn't know. Yeah, here I didn't. Like, yeah,
Okay.
okay. Then if I put 1, I get, yeah, sneezy. I put 2. Oh, wait. I see. I see. This is num. I need +1. Will that work?
Let's see.
No, no. I need -1, not +1. There you
Yes,
go.
you're correct. Okay. Now put 8, please.
Yeah, nothing will happen because my else statement is not.
Yes, but when you
Oh,
put
but it works. Yeah,
it works, why it works? My question is why it works.
because this, right?
Yes, it's correct. But
Totally.
you can put it
I
else.
wanted to put a print statement to put you have quit or
Exactly.
something.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. This is what you only can do. That you can tell him, you can print something on the screen. You are quitting. You choose to quit. You already press 8, so we're quitting now. Something like that.
yeah. So I actually don't need that because we already. So I could just put okay, quitting. So I put that in a print statement. Okay,
Okay, excellent, excellent. Okay, good.
okay,
Um, yeah, wait. I will pass you another code. So this
okay.
time you will actually I pass you um, one text file. Please try to
Yeah,
put it in your code and try to read from it, and I will pass you another code. So this time we will actually, let me see here. Yeah, we will read a text from a text file, strings from a text
all
file,
right.
and we will store it inside an array.
Okay.
But before we do that, do you hear before about a proxy server?
Sounds familiar, but I don't know.
Did you use a VPN before?
Yeah.
May I know you use it for what purpose?
Like Netflix, some movies are not on my country or something, then you
Uh-huh.
can,
Okay.
yeah,
So a proxy is slightly similar to a VPN, but
yeah,
normally it is done like sometimes in the schools, they don't want the students to enter certain websites, and they also want to decrease the usage of the bandwidth of the internet. So
yeah,
what they do is be, before you continue this, let me share this please with you.
okay,
So this kind of knowledge, people normally study it in the secondary school if they are studying IGCSE or the IPDB, and yeah, and sometimes in APCS, so the American College Board. That's why I try to pass you information about that so that you don't feel that you are missing something. Yes, we are focusing on programming, but that is
yeah,
other students study even before they go to uni. So see here, this is a proxy server, okay? And
yeah,
typically this can be a school setup with a lot of computers, and normally they use a proxy server for two things. First, they cache all they do a caching. It means that, okay, if you enter to watch a certain video on YouTube, so they store it on the proxy server. Okay, so if another students want to watch the same YouTube video, they don't actually download the whole video again for you to watch. They store it here in the cache, and then you can internally start to watch the same video again without downloading it again from the internet. Okay, that's one thing. Second thing is that it also can act similar to the VPN, means that if your country is blocking certain websites like Facebook or other website that's not allowed, so this proxy server allow you to actually appear that you are coming from a different country. But that is one of the usage of proxy server, but that is not the main usage. So the main usage again is to cache cache the files, and also to protect everybody here behind this network. Of course, they need another layer of protection, which is why they put firewall in front of the proxy server. Okay, so firewall will actually prevent hackers from really accessing the internal network of the school, for example. Okay, this can be a school, can be a company, or whatsoever.
No.
Do you know what is a web server?
It's like how to explain? It's like it's basically like the normal browser, right?
Wait, no. The web server is a place to host websites. So the website that I give you a link to access, to be able to access your recordings and your slides and exercise, this is actually hosted on a web server. So web server are Facebook is hosted a web server, YouTube is hosted on a web server, and so on. So everything that should be available on the internet to others must be hosted somewhere. So the hosting can be in US, in Asia, in Hong Kong, Singapore. It depends. So every hosting company have its own rules, have its own place, have its own servers, and it's located somewhere. Okay, so and if it have also certain pricing for that. So it depends on the capacity of the web server, how many users it can handle per second. Then based on that, the pricing should be paid la. So they decide the pricing based on that. If you have a small website, then definitely not many users access it at the same time, so it costs you little amount of money. If you are like Facebook or or even YouTube, so it means that millions of users will be able to access your services at the same time. That increase the price to actually thousands, if not more than that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. Now you can continue, please.
Okay.
Did you manage to download the 7 text
Yeah.
file? Mhm.
Yeah. So now I need to how do I bring the file here? Okay.
Uh,
Wait, where is it? Yeah. Oh, there, yeah. Okay. I forgot already how to
right click,
read the file.
yeah, right click here. Yeah,
Oh,
you
yeah.
copy the file path, and the code
Yeah.
actually to read the file is actually inside the slide that I passed you.
Ah, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah. I want this. Oh no, what's this? Why can't I?
So here, instead of writing just the file name like the slide that I passed you, you have to
I
write the
can't.
file path. You can't make a paste, copy and paste.
Wait. No, wait, my keyboard, I can't put my double quotations for some reason.
Copy it from up, yeah.
Wait. Okay, there you go. My keyboard, there was something wrong. There you go. Okay. Okay. Okay, there you go. Now can. Okay. File path, name. Yes. Okay.
Good.
Like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it works now. Now I just need to print, right?
Mhm.
So if I just technically I just print names index, right?
You can try and see.
Maybe I have to print it out below here. Oh no, wait, I need something before this also. Okay.
Oh, you managed to print all. That's great.
Yeah.
But okay, typically I would advise that you can put another loop after this while. So this while is actually reading, and typically when we want to, so you read the text file and then you store it in the array. If you want to print out all of them, you can make another maybe for loop, for example. I think you have done something similar before in the for loops above.
Means you want me to put a for loop in the while loop, is it?
No, outside the while, after the while loop.
Oh, okay.
Are you able to do that?
Yeah, but
You have done
what is
something.
the reason?
The reason is to print all. Just focus on printing only. You print after all of them have been stored inside the file.
Oh, so instead of printing it, so I don't print here.
Yes.
Okay, so
Is it
first
possible
let
to be
me
done?
let me try. First let me see print outside the loop. What do I get? I should only get. Oh, okay. So then even if I make a for loop here and print, still it won't work, right?
Let me see. Why it wouldn't work?
Because I would still get the same error, right?
No? Who said?
If I put 4,
Uh-huh. Normally you use I, right? Integer I.
yeah, but yeah, okay, no, this one can integer I.
Mhm.
The problem is here, so I put I.
Less than.
Um, I don't less than index.
Okay, my question to you is that did you create this array of what? It's from 0 to 8, right? It's
Yeah,
nine elements or 9 positions. Okay, so
right.
you need to stop at where?
So I put less than or equal to 9.
Okay, let's see.
Okay,
And
and then I do this. Use. Now what do I? Because if I run like this,
you will face an
yeah,
error.
yeah. Oh, wait. I forgot to do something here.
No problem.
What did I forget to do? No, wait. Let me see the error again.
It's the same error. You have error here and here. Sorry, you.
Is it because of this?
Yes, exactly. That's one of the issues. Yes. So,
No,
okay, now
but
I might not have been initialized.
oh,
Where you
I
want
need
to
to put
initialize the I?
I equals 0.
You can
I
do
need
it,
to do this, right?
yes, but then you can do it also on the same line here by adding equal 0 here.
Oh, right.
Okay. Then we face another issue.
Yeah, the same error here.
Okay, my
Yeah,
question to
so
you is that why we created I and why we are using index here?
yeah, should be using I here.
Okay. So you managed to print something, but he doesn't accept when index equal 9. Okay, yeah. Excellent.
Okay.
So is it clear now?
Yeah.
May I know how we can improve? You are smart and you are able to write code, but there is some issues that you are facing. May I know if you know the reason behind these issues?
Which issue?
Okay, so when you was writing this for loop,
Yeah.
you didn't manage to get it right from the first time.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I forgot like
The syntax.
that to yeah.
But okay, why you forgot the syntax even though we are writing a lot of code during the class?
Because I am constantly copy and pasting the same for loop.
Okay, so okay, you say it with your own mouse. I didn't say it. So
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So we close and open again.